Hello, friends. Your journey starts here. Destiny. Destinations.
Our planet is a marvel of beauty and complexity, yet it hides secrets in its oceans, mountains, and deserts. Despite centuries of discovery, some places still defy explanation, where nature's rules seem to break. Tonight on Destiny Destinations, we explore 7 natural wonders that challenge science and ignite our imagination. From lightning that never ends to rivers that boil, these are real phenomena that puzzle even the brightest minds. Welcome to Defying Logic. 7. Impossible natural phenomena. Where the Catatumbo River meets Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, the night sky is alive with lightning, up to 300 nights a year. This is Catatumbo Lightning, a silent, relentless storm that has guided sailors for centuries. Thousands of lightning bolts arc across the sky for hours, rarely touching the ground and often producing no thunder. Scientists believe the region's unique topography is key. The Andes trap warm, moist air, fueling constant storm clouds. The lake sits atop vast oil fields and decaying organic matter, releasing methane that may supercharge the storms. Some say it's the wind, others the methane, or perhaps a perfect combination of both. The Catatumbo winds drive this atmospheric engine, but the full recipe remains elusive. Despite decades of study, the true cause is still debated. Each flash is a reminder of nature's power and our limited understanding. Catatumbo Lightning is a living question mark, a storm that refuses to be fully explained. It's a spectacle that keeps scientists searching for answers. The mystery endures, written in light across the Venezuelan sky. In Death Valley's racetrack playa, rocks weighing hundreds of pounds mysteriously glide across the desert floor, leaving long tracks behind. For decades, no one could explain how these stones moved. There were no footprints, no obvious force. Theories ranged from hurricane winds to thick ice sheets, even magnetic fields. The truth? A rare combination of water, ice, and wind. After a winter rain, a thin layer of water freezes overnight into sheets of ice. As the sun rises, the ice breaks up, and a gentle breeze pushes the panels, nudging the rocks along the slick mud. The movement is slow, almost invisible, but undeniable. In 2014, time-lapse cameras finally captured the stones in motion. The mystery was solved not by brute force, but by delicate natural choreography. Even with the answer, the sight of these tracks across the playa remains magical. It's a testament to the subtle forces shaping our world. Sometimes, the most extraordinary mysteries are solved by the simplest means. The sailing stones remind us, nature's secrets are often hidden in plain sight. In Antarctica's McMurdo Dry Valleys, a crimson cascade pours from the Taylor Glacier, an eerie sight known as blood falls. Early explorers thought algae caused the color, but the truth is stranger. The falls are fed by a subglacial lake, sealed off for millions of years, rich in iron and salt. When this iron-laden water meets air, it oxidizes, turning blood red. Even more astonishing, scientists found microbes thriving in this dark, oxygen-starved brine. These organisms survive without sunlight, using iron and sulfur for energy, a glimpse of how life might exist on other worlds. Blood falls is a portal to a hidden ecosystem, challenging our ideas of where life can thrive. It's a stark reminder that Earth's greatest secrets are often buried deep below the surface. In the heart of Antarctica, life finds a way, even in a glacier that bleeds. Off Mauritius, a stunning illusion appears from above, a massive underwater waterfall plunging into the ocean's depths. But this is no true waterfall, it's a trick of light, color, and geology. The island sits on a shallow shelf, which drops off steeply into the abyss. Ocean currents sweep sand and silt over the edge, creating the illusion of cascading water. The shifting blues and pale sand mimic a waterfall tumbling into darkness. It's a slow-motion avalanche of sediment, shaped by powerful ocean forces. This spectacle is a reminder of the dynamic processes sculpting our planet, often hidden beneath the waves. The underwater waterfall is both a beautiful illusion and a testament to nature's artistry. Sometimes the most impossible sights are simply nature's clever play with perspective. Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, the Shanai Timpishka, boiled with the heat of the sun, flows at near-boiling temperatures for miles. Such rivers are usually found near volcanoes, but the nearest is hundreds of miles away. For generations, locals guarded its secret, dismissing outsiders' disbelief. Geoscientist Andres Russo confirmed the legend, a river so hot it can cook anything that falls in. The leading theory, rainwater seeps deep underground, heats up, and resurfaces through faults. No volcano required. This unique hydrothermal system is unlike anything else on Earth. The exact mechanics remain a mystery, and the river's ecosystem is fragile and unique. The boiling river challenges our understanding of geology and the limits of life. It's a living legend, real, rare, and still simmering with unanswered questions. In the heart of the jungle, science and myth flow side by side. In Leek, England, a rare alignment creates the illusion of two sunsets on the same evening. Around the summer solstice, the sun sets behind a hill called the Cloud, disappears, then briefly reappears before setting again. This double sunset is caused by the town's unique topography and precise viewing angle. For centuries, locals have gathered to witness this celestial encore. Similar effects occur elsewhere, but Leek's is especially clear and predictable. The phenomenon may have inspired ancient monuments and rituals. It's a reminder that sometimes the wonders of the cosmos are shaped by the land beneath our feet. The double sunset transforms an ordinary evening into a two-act play of light and landscape. The hum is a global mystery, a low droning sound heard by only a few, yet reported from New Mexico to England to Australia. Sufferers describe it as a distant engine, most noticeable at night, often causing distress and sleeplessness. Microphones rarely detect it, and its source remains elusive. Theories range from industrial noise to geological vibrations, but none fit every case. Some suggest microseisms, tiny earth tremors, amplified by local conditions. Others point to medical or psychological explanations, but the consistency of reports defies easy answers. The hum blurs the line between physical and perceptual reality. For those who hear it, it's a constant maddening presence. Science has yet to solve this intimate enigma. The hum is a reminder, not all mysteries are visible, some are felt, and some are heard. From lightning storms to boiling rivers, our journey has revealed the planet's most confounding wonders. These mysteries aren't failures of science, they're invitations to look deeper and question more. Even in an age of information, awe and discovery remain. Which of these puzzles will be solved next? Share your thoughts below and join our community of curious minds. This is Destiny Destinations, where the impossible becomes reality.
Until we meet again, stay inspired. With Destiny Destinations, you'll